Hello people, welcome back into this channel. So today we will talk about TikTok application, and I would like to show you the way how you can manage your own music or your own audio on TikTok. So probably most of them could be edit your own audio into your TikTok, and you can also delete some of them by do this instead. Open your TikTok and you just need to open the creator or video or camera section by go click this middle icon, and then will be bring you into the TikTok camera here, and then you just need to take a look on the top side. There will be like add sound. You just need to go click it and click this right away, and now they will be bring you into this type of option, and then you just need to go click this discover more sounds here, and just take a look on this line, click your sound right away. So this is will give you the information about the audio collection that you just imported from your own audio. Now if you want to delete some of them, you just need to go click manage right here, and there will be like a delete icon right after the audio title. So if you can like deleting the audio that you want to delete here just by go click this button, and don't forget to confirm that you want to remove it, and those audio will be gone from your account. You can do for the rest, guys, and that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this video a lot, so don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and let's meet again into other tutorial.